Hey guys, Sweetness here, and I'm back with another video, back with another hairstyle, and I'm just really just back. Anyways, so I'm going to be showing you a simple hairdo that you're going to be like, oh, so that's how you make a hump? Yeah, girl. I'm going to show you how to humpity hump the top of your head, all right, for your box braids. Okay, so let's go. Let me just show you what it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll get to it. So what you're gonna do, babies, what you're gonna do, you are going to grab from your eye, well, for the arch of your eyebrow on both sides, you're gonna grab, okay? So it's gonna be this amount that you're going to be grabbing. Once you do that, you leave that in the front. You can section it off if you need to be. And put a hair tie on, just like what you see. And so depending on how big you want your hump to be is the amount that you're going to be grabbing from either side. I like it a bit big, so I'm gonna grab enough hair to give me that height that I would like at the top of my head. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab some from this side and the other side, just like so, and you're gonna be bringing it up as high as you can. So I left some in the center because, you know, then you're gonna end up making it really big. So you're gonna cross it over and you're going to be creating a knot. As tight as you can, put the hair forward. Rub onto the hair. And you're going to pull. So now, as you can see, you have a bump at the top of your head. So you're going to hold it to the back. You're gonna unloosen the front of your hair. You're gonna unloosen the front of your hair, and what you're gonna be doing, you're going to pull the hair back just like that. And you're gonna form it however you would like to form it around your braids. Just like that. Nice and seamless, simple and easy, babies. And now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna grab some here and put it over on one side. And then I'm gonna grab some here on the other side. Yeah, you saw my husband, yeah, that's him. And put it on the other side. Just like that. You could grab as much as you want. Sorry guys, as you're seeing right now is growth. That is growth. And yeah, then I'm going to be to grab any hair tie that you have and put it in the ponytails. Just like that. And there you go. You have your own very hump. I like mine's high and it's going in an angle. It gives me some like definition in my face. And that's what it is, babies. Let me know what you think about this style. Do you like it? Because I do. Let me know what you think. Simple hump, baby. Simple hump. You should be doing humps every day. You know what I mean? Yes, so if you like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, my honeys, and I'll be showing you some more hairstyles. I don't know how many I'm going to do after this, but I'm going to like take some pictures so you can see how it looks.